Built in 2016. Beautiful end-unit townhome with first-floor master suite. Light and bright, open floor plan with 2-story entry. Kitchen with beautiful wood cabinetry, granite counters, pantry, stainless steel appliances including gas range and direct vent. Spacious master, large walk-in closet. Second floor has loft, bonus/media room, 2 bedrooms with Jack and Jill bath, plus third bedroom with a full bath. Hardwood floors. Pristine condition. Nearby neighborhood fire pit and patio area. Walk to top-rated Davis Drive schools, traditional calendar and no capping.